In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write an expression, a variable expression for a geometric sequence. So here we have our geometric sequence and we need to write an equation that describes this sequence, okay? And we have 1, 4, 16, 64. So the first step is to know that the formula for the nth term of a geometric sequence is this. A nth term equals a to the 1. A1 is the first term. R n minus 1. And I'm going to explain all of these and they'll make complete sense, okay? So you would need to remember this formula for a geometric sequence. So a to the n just means the nth term. So for example, the nth term just means any term in the sequence. So for this example, 16 here is the third term in the sequence. So that means n equals 3 here, which means the third term in this sequence is 16. Okay, that's all it means. So A1 is the first term. A1 is the first term in the sequence. And here, this is our A1. Now we just need to figure out what R is. R is the common ratio for the sequence. For a geometric sequence, there would be a ratio between these consecutive terms, and the ratio would be the same for each of the consecutive terms. So let's take a look. To get from here to here, 4 over 1 equals 4. And then if we go from here to here, 16 over 4 equals 4. And then if we go from here to here, 64 over 16 equals 4. The ratio is always 4. So that means our R, the common ratio, R equals 4. So now we just plug A1 equals 1 and R equals 4 into the formula. So here's our formula, and we put 1 here for A1. That's A1 here. Here's R. We know our R is 4, so we put 4 here. Now we can just simplify our equation. So a to the nth term, a to the n equals 4 to the n minus 1. So we use this equation to find any term in the sequence above. So if someone asks you to find the 100th term, you would just use this formula and you would plug 100 in here and calculate it out. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. Those are all the tricks you need to know on how to do this. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. You'll find links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.